Good morning, everybody. This is David from the Trader, and this is Marie. And yes, let's see how we do today. This market is really trying to be funny. I mean, like SPY is just going all the way down from 691. Right now, it's trading at 688.72. So it's a pretty interesting thing here because like there is no move up or down that lasts more than 24, 48 hours, and we are kind of not exaggerating on that one. You know, it's really like what the heck. So good morning, everybody. So let's see how we do. What about you, Marie? How are you doing?
I'm doing well. What a nice warm morning.
No for the rink, but
yes, for the hockey rink today and tomorrow with the +7 tomorrow, it's going to be a little difficult.
yeah, like I think next week we got a couple centimeters of snow, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh well, it's a couple of centimeters after shoveling.
Yeah, but it's gonna be good to fix any holes that it will have from the 7 tomorrow. I guess. No, you don't fill up the hole with the snow, no?
Yeah, sometimes on the side to make sure
to seal it.
Yeah, reseal it. You use the slushy snow to
Nice.
concretize, like make ice concrete.
Okay, perfect.
And
So
how are you doing, Davey?
I'm doing pretty good, Marie. I didn't sleep well, though I have a lot of energy. That's a weird feeling, but I think you know what I'm talking about pretty much because we have talked in the past about that a little
Yeah.
bit. But yeah, so like when you I'm reducing calories, so I am taking less calorie per day, and like that bring my level of energy higher because I feel less slushy. But at the same time, you put stress on my sleep. Like then I want to go to sleep, but my body doesn't want to go to sleep.
You
So
have to prepare
yeah,
longer.
yeah.
Not
So
easy.
we have a couple numbers coming out today. Some of them already came out at 8:30, even at 5:30. So we have Challenger Jobs Cut. That came out at 5:30 a.m. That came out actually 35,553. The previous was 71,321. And the balance of trade. The balance of trade, I mean, I have to say, this is a little bit theoretical here because I kind of don't have a lot of technical information about it, but let's say in the books, including Warren Buffett, he has said in the past that what have to be solved in the state for the major problem with the economy is the trade imbalance that we had. So basically, like the states was consuming too much, buying too much compared to what they were exporting. So they were importing too much compared to what they were exporting. So, but right now, since Trump have been there, actually since Ukraine was invaded by Russia, like we see that the trade balance have been coming down and down. Like basically, I mean, it was negative and it's still negative, but it's less negative than what it was. So basically, in 2005, it was 120 billion. So right now, that like it's actually just like the last number, the actual numbers is at 29.4 billion imports. So like that's crazy. So it's pretty good because that's you know what, either because of the tariff, either because of the trade policy, like things are really being more consuming side or producing side, and like it's just as I say, I don't have the whole technicality about it, but like it's a good thing because like they have a more balanced sheet trade wise. So less depending on other countries. So I don't know if geopolitically talking, people are gonna be happy with that, but for the economy, for sure, that will help a lot. So just working away for the balance of trade, yeah, pretty good balance of trade compared to it's becoming like a more balance. So we have exports, imports, initial jobless claims, non-farm productivity quarter to quarter, unit labor cost quarter to quarter, and continued jobless claim. All that came out at 8:30. So we have a bunch of good numbers here. Like all those numbers are pretty good. So
Though, if we're looking at 8:30, there's been a pullback. So from 8:30, exactly when that news came out.
which make us ask like why, but yeah, it's okay. So
Can I see those numbers again?
yeah, for sure. I just
After you
and
finish.
you, if you want, like, if you don't mind, if you can please keep going with the, because there are number coming out that thing. So if you can just mention them, that will be good. So let's see. Yeah, it's a bunch of numbers. So so I kept my short on Nvidia from yesterday. That's because I keep thinking that the market is gonna pull back a bit more. So allo allo, bonjour, ça va? Hello, hello. Ça va bien.
Bonjour, bonjour.
So yeah,
Yeah, they're not that great, but
they are better than expected. No, like great. It's like So market is
Yeah,
going to
so-
open in 2 minutes.
so
So
in 10 we've got wholesale inventory,
mhm.
and we've got natural gas stock change, but that's 10:30. Consumer inflation expectation is at 11.
All
So
right.
that should be interesting at 11.
Okay.
And then it's
Watch out, the market's about to open. Zach, what about you?
Getting high as usual. So I'm glad the SPY fell in my levels again. So now I have more data and things like that. So
nice.
Nice. Maria, are you looking at anything? Cues?
Right now I'm looking at the Qs. Oof. We could be having a pop off the VWAP, but right now the RSI is really. So long would be interesting for the Qs at 54.50. And I just want to look at SPY quickly. So we've got INTC that's number one. So INTC is number one in volume and as well as number one in RVOL. So that's definitely interesting. We've got new low volume today.
Yeah, quite. Pretty much everything is trading very low volume.
Mm-hmm. So INTC, there's 42.50 that looks interesting. And there's 42. So right now it's a big pull.
Yeah.
42 looks interesting. So we'll keep an eye on that because now it's really pulled back too much. There we go.
Oh la la. Tape. What is the tape saying? Tape. Anybody looking at the tape? I'm looking at the tape. So
For which one?
for Nvidia, looking bullish, but I can't. No, not really. Yeah.
footprint looks bearish.
Yeah, like still too flippy for me, but it looks a little bit bullish. Let's see. That footprint that you gave me was for SPY, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how we do. Did you took any trade? No, yet?
No, I've placed a trade. Wow, look at that. Look at the level I put on INTC. By the penny on a wick. Ah, that's beautiful.
It's pretty cool stuff. Yeah, I see relative volume here really, really low for most of the things. No, that's not true actually. Like it's only for Nvidia that is low. Tesla is average. PLTR is high. And look at the spike on the VIX.
Google just is popping quite good.
Yeah, but then you gave it away again, like somebody's selling the crap out of it at the open all the time.
Mhm.
I was telling Marie that probably I want to sell it today to get it cheaper. Because it's like I'm looking at the market with bearish eyes. So it's like, now I'm making some money there. Why would I not take it if I think it's going to go lower?
Good call, baby. Good call.
And funny enough, the best one I think probably is going to be Microsoft after. Because it's the only one I see that pop enough that say, you know what, they have some buyers here. But I wouldn't get it right away. I will wait like maybe 1 week. I think the market is looking down.
I took a little chunk to go short.
Okay.
By off my level, so it bounced like 3 times in the pre-market to that level. So let's see.
Okay. Let's see if I can take 1, 2 in the futures.
It's already half an hour in my favor, like super quick. So. Just need to break you up and
There we
Yes.
go. I love it.
Okay, I have an order. I haven't get it yet because I'm trying to get what I consider a decent price. So okay, and it has the stop loss right on it. You see, that's what we wanna do. Like what I want to do, like for the like I have the order to go in. I have the order to go out. Now I don't have to look at that. If I am right, it's supposed to manifest.
Just do it.
Yeah. And there are gonna be days that like, it shouldn't get it and blah blah blah, all those good things. But it's not my day trading thing.
I have my partial suit close.
Look at
You
you.
can get it.
I'll be
First
taking
partial,
my
then we
pictures
move to break even.
shortly.
So we're gonna be all taking partial together pretty much.
Yeah, I'm gonna be taking it shortly.
What are you short on, Mer?
The Qs.
Nice.
I held the Qs overnight,
Mm-hmm.
which was really, really good. It turned out to be a
Oh yeah,
14-hour trade.
nice.
Yeah, she
That,
liquidated
that
before.
required some cojones, but
A little, but I was already behind the 8 ball on that one. So I said, the risk to reward was not that bad when you're looking at, okay, all-time high. Oh, let's go.
Let's go SPY. And I got the super good price on that one. I got-
Super good.
I like to hear that.
689.17.
Look at you.
Oh wow, that is brilliant.
Hey,
Hey, hey,
hey, hey, hey.
hey, hey, hey.
I don't like this.
You have a long?
Hmm?
You are going long, right?
No, short.
Short, okay.
If I went long from that price, my guy, I would be.
Oops.
Okay, let me test my level.
Big positive curl.
Yeah, SPY
On
really
the
put a nice
RSI.
candle toward the hop side. So, but let's see, SPY is not looking that strong right now. Yeah, it's a big candle, but like in the bigger time frame, it's not that relevant yet. Yeah, like that might be.
Looking my level again. That's good.
Well, for me, for the Qs, 5440 was me going long. So, of
Right.
course, it's going to be consolidating around there for sure.
I got my trade for the futures as well. So let's see if I'm able to survive. And
You got long or short?
short too.
What price?
I got my price. Let's see. My price is. Sorry, it's too messed up. Just give me a second. I got 6,955
Nice.
with 25 cents.
Good job.
Oh, the 25 cent change everything, my guy. No price.
You what?
Thank you.
Yeah, he's been funny. I didn't catch it, but like.
I was, You said what?
I said because he mentioned the 25 cent after, and I'm like nice before, but I said, oh, with the 25 cent, none it.
That was on my favor, those 25 cents. Oh yeah, we are pretty.
That's true.
I took my partial.
Nice.
Here we go.
Here comes the money.
Jala.
So mine is 6,957, so a bit higher, but.
You got better price actually. Look at you.
But you got it on the second thing, so that's better. Let's go SPY.
Please
At the bottom SPY.
don't go.
Oh, yes, partial.
There we go.
Let's go.
So I want to move my stop loss to break even, but I feel like it's come back.
5380.
I'm not.
Like, I want to move my stop loss to break even,
Mhm.
but I feel like it can come back there again.
So if you feel that, that's giving you the answer right there.
Okay, so I've got like my line, my levels of 687.90. There's a huge order on SPY at 687.90.
So like, my guy, like the projection of this trade in my chart, it makes no sense. But like, I would
I see.
respect my process
Why it makes no sense?
because look, I'm risking right now 175. I put it to 200, but like when he got the entry, it got moved. I don't know why. And I put here, get me all out. I'm risking, like right now, the actual risk is 175 to get 1,325.
Wow.
So that's a 1 to roughly 12. One, like, no, a little bit less. Like you said, no, roughly 9 are on that one.
Wow.
I see absorption in the bottom of the 5-minute candle there.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know,
Like basically, you only need to trade like that, 2 of those, right, and you will get funded right away in the challenge that Zach is doing.
yeah, but where's your take profit? But before,
Yeah, it's fire. It's one in, one out.
at what price you take profit?
Actually, gonna move my stop loss. I just moved my stop loss. I rounded up to 200 because it's 200 that I want to risk. It's not 175. So my price to get all out is at 6,929 with 25 cents. I give you the 25 cents right away there in case you want to say something about it.
So 53.80 on the Qs, and first buy again 687.90. We'll see what's going to happen there.
My stop loss is right at the pre-market high.
The sellers are
case.
still there. So what you were saying?
That my stop loss.
Woo! There's that bravo! Let's go!
Ooh la la.
We're taking profit right there. Woo!
I took profit. I had a limit, so I just took it at the bottom. But,
Now you tell me, from where the heck did that came from? You know?
What?
The move.
watch out because yesterday went up fast after that.
Yeah. So we still seems to, for the Qs, 50, but for SPY, it should be reversing. So
What the heck? was
right
that?
there, there seems to be, okay.
My guy, I'm gonna send the picture of the train on the chat,
What's up? Mm-hmm.
just for you guys to like to kind of look what I'm looking at, because like it's crazy, you know. It's and those trades are reliable. Like I am not being too picky with that train. Like normally it do more than that. It's just me saying, okay, no, next station. I want to be out in next station. That's next station.
But your entry is on a level, right?
Yeah, it's on a level. Yeah, it's for sure on a level.
I have my entry is based on my level, so you're close to me. So
Oh my god.
yeah, that was good. It's just that I just put a limit higher, so when it went through it, I don't know at what price it filled me in. Yeah, it filled me in at too high.
I'm almost out of my trade. I think it's like really nice. My question now: are gonna people panic now?
I think they will. 687 for SPY. Let's go!
Taking one partial soon.
Another one
Go
too
break that
for
bottom.
me.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Is it still your overnight trade, or?
No, I
No,
came
no.
out of it and I retook it when the market opened.
She came out before the market opened.
You did 14 hours and then you're doing another like
Yeah.
5-6.
Over that, yeah.
Pretty cool stuff.
So I'm gonna probably end the day with a 20R.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah, that's sweet. That's sweet. It's not an everyday occurrence.
Yeah.
You know, it's not like I would do that a lot, but yeah. Okay.
We
So
take
there,
it.
I feel like it can reverse. So
So I took a double partial there. Just want to make
Yes, sir.
sure.
I have 2 shares left. Stop loss above breaking even.
Go. Money talks.
Here comes the money. Money, money.
Speaking nice, speaking nice.
Oh, freaking nice.
So do you still have 100% win rate?
So
Yeah,
the
today
tape,
we
so the tape is flipping. I don't know about that for you, but I'm thinking of coming all out. SPY is close to the VWAP. We'll see where it's gonna go there, but there's definitely people interested in the buy. So SPY is at VWAP and it's curling up. So
Ah, la 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 la. Ah, la 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 la. Can the future make a higher high without the actual ETF going a higher high?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
Like there's some little difference, but not that much.
Because right now it's moving against me.
Did you take partial?
No, no, that's the plan. Is to not take partial. It's one in, one out. That's why I have to do it like that for me to convince myself that it's not a day trade. Yes, it is a trade that I will liquidate at the end of the day, but it's not one that I am like partially in, partially out. Like Nvidia haven't felt the pain yet, you know?
oh, this was sweet. I reloaded on that pop.
Loaded, 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 loaded.
Well, we'll see how that goes.
I'm happy with how I switched my head. Like, did you see how I switched short exactly the day that is like, you were
Going
like,
to be going short?
it doesn't look that good, you know? Let me
Yeah.
just not go long here. But it happened like 2 days because the day before I say I am not holding overnight unless you get to this price. And I didn't hold the long overnight because it
Right.
was sketchy. And then it's like, this doesn't look that high, you know? Let's go short.
Okay, good interaction for SPY at the VWAP. I
Yeah.
like that. I
It's
like
about
that.
to make a higher high, so
Exactly. So I think that I am going to.
though the map today is a little bit sketchy. It's
Oh, it's red. Like there's Amazon, Google, Eli Lilly. But I've got muscle memory.
Do you
And
guys buy
yesterday
pants?
I flipped it. And I lost the profit, right? So I'm thinking,
stay put.
okay, yeah, stay put right now. We know we've got news. We've got lots of news at 10. This morning the news wasn't fantastic.
But they were not bad neither. Like, you know, they were in between.
Yeah.
Ah, la 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 la.
But jobless claim to be up. That's not good for an economy.
Like that. Bring view up.
Let's go!
It almost got me out on my break even, but
Okay.
Yeah, like it have harassed my price a couple times, so
Mhm.
I could take and reload, but like I don't want to do that.
Looks like a lower low. All the 1 minute is form.
There we go. Man, like those.
Oh, your Nvidia is going good.
Yeah, I gonna put the order to take the partial right away. Like I'm gonna put the limit order like that. I don't try to say like, you know what, it didn't get there or whatever. Like I have a clear price where I wanna take it. So let's just put that order and we want to buy because there we go. We're gonna take the partial in a second. There it's at
It's a quarter that
186.
you're taking, or
I'm taking half. I'm taking half in there because I
Ooh,
have to be.
yeah.
I don't have to be over welcome or over like that. We go.
Good job.
Money talks.
that's my boy.
Some money.
Let's go.
Jala jala. You know.
Okay. Oh, I'm so happy I reloaded on that. Pop.
Now it's holding on my level that it held before. And my level today are working exquisitely.
Osh. Osh. Word of the day. Exquisitely.
Exquisitely.
Oof. Me gusta. Exquisitely.
Oh my God.
Don't say it.
I'm going out if it breaks you up. Up. Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, big battle there. Is it the same move as yesterday?
And I was telling to those folks, the market go up and down, up and down. You buy, you sell, you sell, you buy. You know, it's like forget.
Oh, that's funny. I'm listening to. I'm listening.
Yeah, to this guy.
Mhm, and they're very, very exhausted. They don't know what to do.
Where like that, every trader is freaking exhausted the whole life. That's what you mean?
You're listening to
Yeah.
You can say, guys, it's trading the word. They are listening to trading the word in the ears because
Oh, okay, I wasn't sure.
yeah, we are clearly not competing with those people. These people are the best out there, you know. So it's very very cool stuff. So, in my
you
opinion,
still
they're-
listening to variable traders sometimes?
me.
What did you say?
No, I listen more to trading the word than to variable traders because there is a lot of yeah. Like I find trading the word is more technical, like more real technique, you know. But they both have value for whoever wanna
Oh,
watch
for
them.
sure.
I see when it touched my big level there. Oh yeah.
Wow, I'm 3 hours in the money right now. Maybe more than that.
On what?
In the futures.
You went long?
No, it's like it's the same trade. You haven't.
Are you
done it.
took partial?
No, I didn't do partial. Like it's just like out of the $1,300, it's making like 600 right now, 600 something.
How are you green? If it's at your price.
Ah, because it's delay. I got it.
Yeah, you're
That, yeah, that's why. Okay, got it. Yeah. Okay, so
yeah, I'm paying like $5 a month for the TME live data.
mhm.
Not that bad.
Let me look
Big
at.
rejection on my thing, on my level again.
Hello, Timothy. So I just gonna look at the swank that he had at like in the 5 minute. Yeah, like now is that it's supposed to start reversing in the other thing. So
17.
It's gonna go down from there.
Maurice is still going short on the Qs.
Adding on the pop, 17 hours.
Freaking nice.
It will go down, Marie, I think.
Yeah, I think so too.
Hmm.
It's just that
My levels are
Oh.
lower than that, so I'm not gonna do like I did yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Flip, flip. I'm gonna flip when it's gonna flip. I'm not flipping before it flips. How's
That's
that?
smart.
I want to add to the short, but
I added on the. I reloaded when it popped there. It was practically at the top. So we will see. Though the RSI is not taking a direction right now.
Stochastic is going down.
Okay.
First going down.
so I put an
I like
order
it.
to add to the short. But I very technical price here. Let's see if I get it. I am going with that bad boy here. You see that 186.40 on the tape. He have 136 lot. Probably won't get there, but like
partial's gonna be coming soon. Not yet.
if
Oh.
he get there, it's gonna be cool.
I want to get short, but I don't want to get the bad price.
You got check out?
No,
Came out.
I move my stop loss VWAP.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And it was a good thing because it went to my break even, so it would have break me even.
Nice.
I made a couple money there.
Nice.
Let's go! I like that reload.
And I didn't add, man. That's not good, but it's okay.
Oh, this is sweet. Almost. Come on. 2 cents.
You
Let's
know-
go. 2 cents.
You guys want to break your head with something like?
Yes, please. That's always a positive to break our head.
I think Nvidia in a couple of days can get to 173.
What? Okay, that's breaking my head.
At least I'm clear on those levels. Like,
And Nvidia is taking a dive.
yeah, like you remember I told you what was 2 days ago? Like, why isn't Nvidia swank like sinking if the
Sank.
sank? Yeah, sank. Okay, thank you, but
Is sinking or sunk?
sank. Okay, but you don't say swank. That's is swamp. The other word that I am confused with.
Swamp?
Swamp, like yeah, the traduction of somebody's last name is a swamp.
Yeah, me.
Okay, yeah. Okay. No, I didn't want to say it like that. But
Okay.
swamp and sunk. Okay.
Okay, so we definitely have
Competing volume.
competing volume at this moment. What are you getting, guys?
So I'm gonna add a little bit impulsive here. I add, but I am breaking even.
You're adding to the short?
I am adding to the short, but I'm breaking even because this is looking weird. Spice is stalling right now while
Let's
the
go.
I see down.
yeah I see down too, but like I have a sweet price, but I don't want to be too crazy on it. Like that ad is inefficient, that's a for sure. Like I see 185, half 1,800, like 1,188 lot for the loan on Nvidia. Right here on the tape, you can see it.
Yeah, there's big absorption of the long there, so
But the fact that it's not holding, my guy, I think is like smoky,
Yeah.
smoky. If you don't hold with those sizes, it's like, well,
Did you check your tape, Davey, on NVIDIA?
yeah, it's looking like crap.
Okay.
Like it has a big order. You are looking at the big order that is right
No,
there.
I'm just looking. I'm
Right
just
here.
curious because when we're looking at, oh yeah, let's go and so
So it's having trouble at my level there.
There we go.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, from okay, breaking.
Oh, this is part of this is beautiful.
688.20 to 688.5. It's having trouble. Oh, it's breaking.
I took a partial.
Nice. Mary took a partial.
Here we go. Money talk.
Yeah, it's having trouble at my level there.
Having trouble to across through, you mean? Or what?
Yeah. And big absorption. So watch out.
Okay. I'm breaking even, so
News are coming out.
yeah, yeah, nice. So
I can say that to you. So wholesale inventory on the expected value and wholesale sell month over month lower than expected. That was the two came out at the.
Ay, 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 that's no bueno, amigo. All right.
No bueno.
No, yeah, it's yeah, like
0.2% lower.
I don't know if you know, but they have big discounts in the States right now for pretty much anything. So if you have sales coming down with such an such as incentive, so it's like, ah man, you know, it's no bueno. All right, so Future didn't my guy to shake me out, so I'm okay there. I think SPY is gonna keep making lower lows at some point. So right here, like you see, it bounced a clear level. Probably that was the level that Zach had before. I had here the 687.53 for SPY.
Okay.
It bounced clearly from there, like by the penny. But I think
I have 45, but there's a margin of error, so
nice.
probably-
Yeah,
like the wick was really close.
I myself, like I don't put the level by the penny sometimes because it's hard to do that. So, but yeah, but I think it's gonna break down a bit more. So let's just wait for it and we will see what it does.
It's really having trouble there at mine. They're all like
The interest there is starting to wean to sell.
absorption.
The
Yes.
panic is lost. We'll see. We still have a little bit of discussions on the tape.
Absorption. More absorption.
Okay, you've got observation.
Yeah, like sometimes when you see the tape, like let's say like normalizing after a big drop, like basically what is happening on Nvidia, the tape is balancing, like it's getting to be balanced right now,
Yeah, that's what's happening in.
and like the tape just like the stock just dropped like what was that? It's roughly $3, like $2 something.
Unbalance coming in. Let's
So,
go.
Nvidia sell the way it's selling, and like we see how it accelerates at some point, and you have a tape that is getting balanced at a lower price. That means that hey, now this is gonna be the new balance. It's not the like the fact that I don't see bullishness on the tape at the price it is right now. Let's say,
Yeah, strong interest.
yeah, like it's like telling me maybe there is more downside, you know. So like there is 186, 186 might be tested. I'm expecting this to go back up to 186, but to not hold it.
I'm gonna pay a little bit of attention here because of the balance, the battle happening.
One of the problem for that test is that SPY is selling ahead. So if we have the overall market, like you see, SPY is already testing a level. So if SPY is gonna be testing the level ahead of Nvidia, NVDA, Nvidia won't have much juice to get there. So it's just gonna be, it shouldn't touch the 86 probably. We have big capitulation volume here, but
Yeah, there was absorption all the way like down.
I'm out
you're out.
20 yards.
Freaking nice.
Nice.
All right, so Nvidia, let's see if he's gonna be testing that price. Zach, you didn't get any back or what?
No,
No, that's good. That's good. That's my guy. Being super.
have good profit. Let's pay safe. Maybe one more trade. Paying the green.
Thank you, Marie. Thank you. Oh, okay, you were looking for that. Okay, wait for it.
What to? How to bring it? You were saying.
There we go.
Oh, I'm so happy I got out. Woo! Mucho bueno.
I was thinking about getting that long, but
Okay, I
I almost did too, but
notice that I add right at the level right now. I add more to the short. So I know this is very aggressive trading, so I have to be careful in there.
Mm-hmm.
But
The volume on that candle is really high.
let's see if I'm gonna be right. So this is my testing level. So, oh no,
But
no.
yeah, on
Okay.
the level, so
Yeah,
Okay, so SPY did
a higher
do
high.
a higher high.
Buy the penny. Let's see if he
Yeah.
got me out.
Uh-huh.
Like I think I won't be able to survive that. I know it's delayed, but I won't cheat it. So yeah, probably you're gonna step me out that one.
So right now we've got mixed interest.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that feels really good.
Man, look at that ad on my shirt. Buy the penny.
Ooh! Let me go.
Yeah, like right there.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that level, right? That was beautiful.
that level is pretty strong, my guy.
Mm-hmm. But it's gonna go. It's gonna go through. It's gonna make now a higher. Hold on.
Yeah, like,
Hold
I would be
on.
okay with that too.
Strong RSI. Oh, I'm interested in taking that long, but hey, you know what? 20 hours.
Like I think Nvidia gonna have to pull out an elephant to be able to get me out. What?
I guess my mind. I'm thinking, there we go. Visualizing an elephant.
Yeah.
There's an elephant in the room.
See?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay. Bad joke. Don't say it. Don't say it. You know,
Oh.
it took me a lot to hold myself back from that one. Maybe when we are not live, I can say it. Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a minute to review the sector map. So the sector map,
I'm gonna
like
take a nap.
technology and semiconductor, is super red, but funny enough, the rest are quite green.
Yeah.
So
it's,
the rest of these, so we're talking communication service, we're talking retail, we're talking like healthcare, financials, pretty greenish. But whoa, obviously what's driving the market right now when we're looking at sector, technology and semiconductors are definitely there. So let's see if we're going to be seeing a reversal.
Did you take the long, Marie?
Nope. Interested, but
Yeah, I got out of the future.
you know
just to
what?
make sure.
I just took a small position right there.
So I will be taking another short on the futures.
Okay.
And I have a technical price here, which is 690.20 for a SPY. 690.20.
Okay.
So, but in the futures, I kind of have to go in the chart and see what is that. So it was the close.
Yeah, it's hard to see the price.
Yeah, like it's basically right there, so I can take it basically right there, but like
690. That's crazy.
so it will be the top of the like is this price here.
I think it's gonna go short soon, so, but I don't think I'll take it. No.
690 69. No, it have to be 68. Yeah. 0.25. So yeah, the price that I will be taking the short for the futures is 6,968 with 25 cents. The same thing, another $200 lost trade there. Let's see what it does. In that one, I could be risking less if I want to, but I don't want to, so I don't want to be checked out.
See absorption there? Yeah. Did I miss the level? No.
I don't know why it got me out that. Yeah, it didn't update my stop loss, but it's okay.
Like it's super hard to trade with delay.
With one?
With the delay.
With delay, maybe it's trading with like a 5-minute delay. So,
You're trading with a 5-minute delay.
But knowing the real, like knowing what we are sharing, what we are
Okay.
sharing is real trade. It's another app that we are trying some futures. Yeah, but yeah, it's I don't know how long it is, but yeah. What I will be shorting on the future Zach is the 200 moving average. Yes, it's combined with a level, but it's a 200 moving average.
it's lower. It's at 52, right?
The 200 moving average.
Mm-hmm.
I have it. I don't have it here, and I cannot add it because it's yeah. Like in a SPY, in the actual SPY, I have it at 690 with 27 cents.
We're not in the same place. 688, 65.
For a SPY.
Mm-hmm.
I have another one that is yeah, like okay, yeah. Yeah, like what happened that's the 5 Zach. That the one I'm shorting is the 1 minute, but it is in the no, it's a 5.
Mine is a 1 minute.
Exactly, yours is a 1 minute, mine is a 5.
Okay.
Maria is going long on TQQ.
Mm-hmm.
Is Nvidia gonna get to the VWAP? That's a big question there, but
What the tape say? Oh, nice.
it has a chance to get
Let's
there,
go.
but it's not looking strong.
Big absorption there.
Higher A?
There's big absorption. Like the long aren't able to put the price.
Yeah, that's a nice candle for a SPY. In the 5 minute.
The long for the long.
Yes.
The week. It's for me what I see the level that I was
Nice.
holding when it broke it became support.
For you is what, Zach? Say that again, please.
The level from 689.53 to 689.13. It had trouble to break it like all day before the big candle up,
Mm-hmm.
and now it has become support. So the 2 weeks of the last five
Let's
minute
go.
candle
Yeah.
touch it and then reverse.
Let's go. Wow. Let's go. Let's go.
Now it's touching my other level, so let's see.
There's a battle for sure. There's a
I
battle.
want to go short, but
There's such a battle right there.
Well,
Wow. Come on, higher high spy. Let's go. Let's go.
let's go.
thinking me, should I say short? I don't want to put the order. Let's go.
Yeah.
Did I take too much? I don't know.
Pourquoi, mon ami, pourquoi?
Okay, that was. Was that a smoky? Smoky? It could be a smoky smoky. Oh, come on.
Man, man, Marie, you sound like the Rock there. Yes, man. What the Rock? It's cooking.
What's this cooking?
So
And I'm scared to go short.
pourquoi?
It looks short on my thing.
I am
I don't want to
looking
influence you, Marie, but
Oh, hey. Right now, it's full consolidation. It's a full-on battle, gloves off. When we're looking at the tape, it's crazy. Like it's literally an order shows up that's big. It flips immediately to the other side, saying, "Hey, you know what? We want long." And there we go.
I went short on my level.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you
Yeah,
able to
so-
survive 690, 60?
No, it's really
Oh.
bad.
Yeah,
No.
like if you see what I did, I put my order and I walk away. I don't even know if I'm gonna get it or not for the spy.
Like I have like a 15-cent range,
Okay.
and it's holding it by the penny, so I put my stop loss right above.
Yeah. For Nvidia, if you see what is happening with the sellers, they are coming to sell cheaper and cheaper. Meaning that, you know what? Not much hope for us to go somewhere else here.
I can probably go both sides, that's for sure. Like,
You can go what?
you can go both sides really easily. I think.
Oh yeah, like I said, it's full gloves off. Everybody's. It's very competing. But what I've noticed is that as soon as we've got a big seller to the pull, we've got a really big seller, a big buyer that seems to be wanting to support the price where it is right there. So we'll see.
Allow me to say that they are wrong.
They are wrong? What you mean?
Yeah, this has been a battle that have been cooking for a couple days. So
Yeah, to
Like-
not wanting to flush, right?
Yeah, exactly. So I think they are doing their best to buy and buy and buy. But if you look at the charts, most of the charts have been making lower highs. So I think to go counter with a population that it has a week or two trying to MacGyver where this market wants to go, like you're gonna have to be very big for you to turn that or convincing.
I'm still holding my long. What I am going to do soon, though, if it makes a higher high there on the Qs, I'm going to break even. And I should just put my partial in as an order, but we'll see. We still are battling.
I'm green today. I'm green for the week. I just have no rush in this trade, so we're gonna let it work and whatever he wants to do. Let's do it.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna take a quick look at Tesla, Apple, and Microsoft. Tesla is pumping. That's good.
Yep. Tesla is green, but by
Apple is not
little.
pumping.
10%. We've got Amazon, that's 1.1%. Google, 0.61.
I have no stress, my guy. Here, this market is going to tank.
I'm doing sketchy stuff.
Okay, so
Yeah.
SPY now at the PCL. If it makes a new low there, it should go through at 689.45. So it has to it needs to stay above 689.45 for SPY for me to hold it, and it should pop. But if it does not, so long, farewell.
The RSI looks short. Not RSI. Stochastic.
Stochastic.
Stochastic, okay.
We got you. You have been using the RSI too, huh?
Oh, got me lacking.
Okay, so SPY is behaving the way that I would like it to behave. So it did respect the 689.45 there, but we should from that candle be making a new high. It is not. So don't go below there.
My partial real close. Let's see. Yeah, it's still
Come on.
holding my level like
We want a
above.
bullish candle. Okay. Right there.
It's holding the
Dang. Let's go. There we go. It's happening. Woohoo.
like it's holding my 2 level. It's
You
like
really need
perfect
to
between.
like read this thing like so.
Yeah, it's so
It's
flippy.
but to what I said earlier, it's literally you're looking at the tape, you turn around, you put cream on your hands,
Yeah, and then
you
it's
look
like-
at the tape again, and it's like it's a new world. Like people are like finger on the button here.
Like those days, I will say it's very hard to day trade
Mm-hmm.
because the market convinces you like you are wrong, and then it will do exactly what you were thinking. And like it have been getting so to the extreme to do that it's kind of hard to say, you know what, but like how do I do that? You know, like
Okay, let's go fill
I
that
got out.
candle.
I got it.
you got out and I'm getting in very soon. at
Fill
the
that
short.
candle.
Curling up. Stochastic curling up. So I did like half an hour.
Nice.
Nice. Hey. I love that.
Yo, money talk.
And then it's holding both at my level, like it's in between. That's crazy.
Is your win rate 100% yet?
Hell yeah, man.
Hell yeah. I like it.
Hell
Five
yeah.
If I trade 100%.
I like that.
That's my guy.
Let's all get 100% today.
Yeah.
That's
Looking good.
I'm
Okay.
getting my win rate up a lot because of that. Yesterday 7 trade 100%. Today 5 100%.
Yeah.
Well done.
Overall,
well done.
I'm at 55 overall.
Nice.
So the stochastic might be, I'm sure it's to the
You know.
long.
Yeah,
Okay. When I'm looking at the tape, it
but it can curl down fast too.
Mm.
Like right now, it's started to curl down.
Dumbo.
Maybe I overreacted by getting out.
Well, I think it'd be good, man. Like,
Mhm.
you're keeping your things tight, so because hey, you're working your strategy. That's fantastic. So you didn't make the higher high, so
Yep.
Yeah, I'm telling you, like, for 4 5 minute candle,
mm-hmm.
it's stuck in between my two levels. Like it wicked one level, wicked the other, wicked one level, wicked the other.
Okay.
It can go both ways. Like,
So I see that Nvidia is really not wanting to trade above the level, so I'm happy with my adding to the short, though it is not manifesting yet.
like just what I see, it's rejecting faster the top than the bottom.
Okay.
level.
Yeah, spending more time to the top.
Yes, it is for sure.
Okay, it's at that level there. Let's go. Rejected strongly.
Yeah, I didn't get that trade for the futures,
Nope.
and I have little hope that I will get it.
But the wick,
689.45 is huge as a support level, so we need to like really escape that quickly. Let's go. Let's go.
See.
yeah, man, that's great.
Oh, I love it.
Like doing a wick like crazy.
Yeah, like how did you say with this administration the SPY become a low flow stock?
Oh god,
You know,
that's crazy.
you know what I should have done for the last 15 minutes? Just going short on my upper level,
And long
taking
on your
everything on my
bottom.
lower.
Yeah.
Would have made a shit on my.
Yeah, it's the problem is like let's say I would talk for me here, I wouldn't like to trade a SPY as a low flow stock because I don't like to change the concept on my mind on that one.
It's
Because-
not a local spec.
Exactly, no, but you're right in the matter that it is behaving like, and like the question here, like, how are low flow stock doing when the market is behaving like a low flow stock,
Very well. Usually.
We have a long time without checking any of those. Do you have any of them in mind that you would like?
Well, right now, Lucy did big moves. We've got Arcat.
No, that Lucid is low cap, but it's not low flow.
Okay.
Okay.
RX.
Yeah, that will be that one, I think. RGTI, let's say. Yeah, look at RGTI. It's
Let me see RGTI. Ooh,
Right here,
yeah.
so-
Oh my god, eh?
it's a $25 stock that have went from 24.50 to 26 in
That's
less
a
than an
what
hour.
minute stock? That's a 1 minute?
Yeah, that's a 1 minute chart. From 26 to 24.50 back and forth.
Wow.
That's crazy on SPY.
Yeah, still haven't went up enough to get me in SPY.
Lower low.
My guy, how was the ski yesterday?
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
good.
right.
That's good. Good.
Nice. I guess you don't say I was ski doing yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Ski doing.
Okay, nice.
Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, you can say ski doing. Like running, swimming. Ski-dooing. And it wasn't that cold, right, Zach?
No, it was nice. Only the wind when you go fast. We tried to get to IEG, but there's no way.
Yeah, like
No way legally.
Yeah.
Okay.
We were at the corner.
Okay, watch out. Let's go.
Oh yeah, that's green.
That's good.
That's long.
long.
Long until
It changed.
it's not long anymore.
Yeah, that's a good one. Like, just notice that SPY haven't made a higher high yet.
Thank you for saying that, Davey, because it will now. Let's go. Oh, this is going to be nice. How's your stochastic?
Curling up. Don't know, it's longish for a couple of times. But what I'm looking at, the stochastic more, is like when it was consolidating, it was too high. So what that means for me is like that it has potential to go lower.
Okay.
So now it went a bit lower, but the stochastic went a lot more lower. Like the stochastic is past the middle, and the price went a little bit down. So
There is some tape acceleration. I don't know why. But the tapes are accelerating, guys. Just watch out.
only thing I see is like the 5-minute candle high or lower, and the low or lower. That's the thing. Yeah.
Something's happening
Yeah, that
at the price action.
didn't
What's
I just
happening?
say that?
No. Something like I'm get this.
Oh no, that's normal. That's a defect.
The-
Yeah, that thing is normal. Like it's the source of that is wrong. Like I have the same thing eventually. I just ignore it. Like you go a big number eventually, right? And then you go back to zero, and like it changes radically. That's the diff. So that,
Yeah, but it made the symbols showing up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's the first time.
Like that thing is, I don't know from where they are grabbing the source for that, but if you put it in front of the other numbers, it doesn't work. It's like you have to have certain order for it to work.
Okay.
That's a programming mistake or something like that.
A lot of sell order on the footprint, but the price is not moving that much down.
I like sometimes I think I say this weekend, like this week at some point, that it didn't look like a short and it went all the way down, but now it does look like a short. The SPY. Marie, you are long yet, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Zach, do you
Not
have any
for
trade?
long.
No.
Because for me, it should bounce from 510, but if it doesn't, I'm out.
But it definitely looks like it's making lower highs and lower lows. But it looks short.
When you say that, is the price action or the actual?
And the price action, look at the 5-minute. All the top are lower, all the bottom are lower.
Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, I see. But that's like a rounded top. Rounded top is like, yeah, it's nice. So let's see what it does. So INTC. Do I want to take a trade on INTC?
Just me being a wussy and not keeping my position.
Oh, I'm the same.
It's okay, my guys. One day you're gonna grow up like me.
Oh, that's a burn.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
That's a chirp.
Yeah. Yeah.
A chirp.
Yeah, for sure.
That's a big chirp. Can we take a 2-second?
Yeah. Let's take a little break. We're gonna be back in a bit.
I think on VWAP it's gonna go back up. Maybe not. Like I'm always making good profit, but I'm always missing a big opportunity like that. You know what I mean? Like that short would have been golden with 15-cent risk. Yeah, but that's the line between making a living and being rich. Like yeah, it's like I would have from all the things I pussied out and didn't want to take, I would be able like I would finish the combine. I would be finished with the combine right now. Like yesterday, that trade that was I took off my order was like a 17-hour trade. So like for sure I would take partial before and it wouldn't be 17 hours, but like 10 hour maybe. I would be like at half my combine right now. The day just that trade until VWAP would have been like a 6 hour. Things like that I miss, and that's why I like my edge. To have a good edge, I need to take those. Know what I mean? Because when I lose, then I get break even. And that's what I mean. Like I never get a good cushion, but for sure it's gonna accumulate one day. It's starting to accumulate.
All right, we're back. So Marie's gonna come in a minute. But yeah, like
Man,
they are
that
very
little,
like, yeah.
that little level that I have on top there,
Mm-hmm.
that thing is holding the price like crazy. What are you saying? Or?
No, that the risk management is so different. Like I mean, I couldn't trade like the way they trade either. But at least I know like for Angel like it is working good. So for Roman, I don't know that much. I haven't talked that much about with him, but like it's like for example, if Angel Luis is tired, he won't trade that day. Like he have like a very strong discipline to if I don't feel like I don't do it. So and like what I have in like I was once in a discussion with them in there like they were talking about it and I say to me it's your job like you cannot say like because I have a headache I cannot do this, you know. It's like just do it.
Mm-hmm.
You have to be able to do it without mattering like what is your psychology that day because like do you call your job and you say like I couldn't come today because I don't feel like no just he disagreed with that. He said like but yeah everybody's different I guess so Maria. Right. Marie's back. So
Look at that, Maria.
Mm-hmm. My level is crazy. What the hell? I never seen a level like that small holding the price that good.
Mm-hmm.
From 89.93 to 89.03. Look at that, like this. And now it's holding again. Like, that's crazy. I take short there.
Should I be checking the heat?
I can bring it higher,
No, but
but it's on for sure.
it is. We're good.
Man, a spy is like so
Trapped.
chopped up. Yeah, like
Go short. The volume is not good, like on that up candle.
yeah, it's too low. You will say.
Mm-hmm. Stochastics say that it's gonna go down. My level is holding. Volume is not good. Like stop being a wussy, Zach. Okay, let's try it. With really tight stop loss so I don't lose a lot. Fill me in, people.
Yeah, like the only suggestion I would have for Zach is if you are dropping off an order, like go to the order that makes sense to you. Like put it there and forget about it because it's like they're gonna
Yeah,
be able
visiting too much.
to move your feelings and then you're gonna jump.
Yup.
Hesitating hesitating way too much. On that I missed it. see if it's gonna retest. Me and Davey were just talking about that too.
Talking about what?
That I shouldn't like. That my problem is like, yes, I'm doing good profit here and there, but like I'm missing the bigger opportunities because I get to take or I take up the orders like yesterday or.
But at the same time, like for example, and I'm gonna use myself here as a sample, like because let's say this part that I'm gonna talk about, I do not enjoy it much. So about trading, I love trading. I told Marie if there is something that I want to do my whole life is trading. But this little part to me is quite annoying. Right now, I have this short on Nvidia. Yes, I have been right here and there. In here at the 86, I could be coming out here because I was seeing the order. I also could be coming out here because, hey, you know what? That's money. Because like I didn't know if it was going to make it to the VWAP or not. Once it print the 86, it made me believe that it was not going to make it to the VWAP. Up to now, it made it twice. So I already have some profit today. I am breaking even in this trade. I'm trying just to do nothing, just to hold the position because I think it wants to go lower. So the major idea here that I have is that it is looking like up to now. You look me going to the 60-minute chart here and saying like I short the crap out of this thing here, like right here, right on the top there, and I say this is my target. It went to my target and it pierced it by more than $1. That's not good. That's good for the shorts, but that's not good for the price action. So because that is happening there, I have a lot of patience to hold this, but I'm doing nothing. I have nothing to do until this print something like 184. And once it print like 184, I am taking another partial and letting it go to wherever it wants to go. Like, but just the waiting part is so boring. That is that's why we have like that's why we are three now talking and like that's why we are trading and sharing. Like at some point, of course, like Marie came here to help me and things like that, but like she got involved and like and she's helping me a lot with all the things. But like what I'm saying is like how many times do
Vice versa.
I say Marie, do you have a good story? Zach, do you have a bad joke? There is nothing to do. Like so and but if you are just looking candle by candle, you're gonna believe this is a short. 30 seconds after, you're gonna believe this is a long. And then it's like, what do you do with that? Well,
if you're looking right now, Davey, if you're looking at my trend lines here, the trend to the long isn't broke.
no, yeah, it's in broke, but it's like right now what is like.
It's not making lower low yet.
If I talk by my Nvidia, like the Nvidia here, the secondary trend, like let's say, like here, this is a 60-minute chart. So in a 60-minute chart, we have been making lower highs. So lower high, like lower high here, lower high, lower high, lower high. This was a flat bottom, one interaction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we broke. So here, like the bigger time frame is a short. When I go, let's say in the 15-minute now, the 15 minutes is still too optimistic. So let's go in the 5. If the 5 is not proper, we're gonna go in. Yeah, like say in the 5, we are already breaking the 5 too. But if in the 5 I have a line like,
Okay,
ooh la la, this thing is updating. There we go.
now it broke.
Yeah, okay.
Broke the trend. Interacting with the VWAP.
Yeah, that thing is still loading. I made the mistake of putting a line when it was moving.
You see, man,
My chart is doing weird things. Yeah, Zach, I listen to you. So
like you
basically,
see that short was the move. I'm just
did you get the short? No.
no. I put my order too late. because I was hesitating. That's something I need to work on.
Okay. So Marie, like to
So SPY is
finalize,
still above VWAP.
yeah.
Yes, please.
To finalize the comment, let's say, like because I'm trading Nvidia, like the secondary trend, which is less stronger than the primary trend, all the time. So it's a long, but the primary trend is still
It's a
intact.
short.
Yeah. So I should be able
Well,
to
the
survive.
primary, is it intact?
The primary is like I have the primary one in the 60 here, and we broke the bottom. Until we go back and trade, like for example, right now, what I'm expecting here is, and you just did it right there, like trade below the 186 and use the 186 as a level of resistance. So, like it should be making probably lower low soon, but yeah, second, I'm still with the primary trend. So, and I have a good price that allow me to do that. But yeah, the same for SPY. You are looking at that. Like let's say if we go SPY 60 minute, I don't have much data for SPY, but yeah, the same thing. Look at the 60 minute, lower lows, lower highs, and SPY haven't broke the bottom yet, so which make my trade more juicy. But yeah, we have to wait. Like it make a lot of sense to ask, like, why did this guy went like twice? Like Nvidia went twice at the VWAP. Why did they put that much effort just to go back and break the 186 like the way he did it right here? Right here, it's like, well, there is not much buying right now.
Right?
And I was saying that I'm expecting this level to be a new level for a couple of days, not just for today, because it was such a strong level that it shouldn't be doing what it's doing right now.
That one.
Yeah, the 186.
Okay, new lows.
Mary, you don't have a trade, right? Okay.
No.
Zach, you have a trade? No? Oh no, we lost Zach. Yeah, you see, I didn't get my trade in the futures. It was right there, but I didn't get it. Like right at, it didn't print my price, that's why I didn't get it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take a quick look at the Microsoft, Apple, and Tesla. Like the one that was doing the best out of those three was Tesla, and it is looking short right now, though we're gonna have to wait. What's the other? This is Tesla, MSFT, and Apple. Yeah. I think I'm gonna sell my Google today.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, it's coming back up. It's coming back up. That's good. But I actually have, if I'm not mistaken, I have a stop, like a out order
Okay.
at 335. But it haven't print 335. Print 300. 330.
Okay.
All right.
Again, if we're looking,
Patiently waiting here, just like this Nvidia have been getting very juicy. So I probably should be partialing soon, but I'm gonna wait for the thing I have to be partialing again. It's almost for sure gonna print 10 hours so soon. We just have like look 185 trying to hold. 185 on the tape is bidding quite heavy. So 185 is flashing. Now it's flashing 184. Okay, so 185 may not hold good because 184 is already very attractive. 184.80 have 972 lot, and 185 have 585 lot. So we might just keep going lower and lower. We have another 184.50. We have 143 lot, and 184.00 we have 175 lot. So this thing is starting to look more bearish than previously. So we're gonna just wait a bit. Marie took a long TQQ.
It's a long rabbit.
Yeah, like Spy's holding the trend. That's probably why she's doing that.
Yep.
Oh, you broke the trend actually, I saw. Yeah, that's not good. That's no bueno.
Okay, I'm putting my entry thing.
All right, so going.
I almost went long until the top.
Okay.
Okay, I thought it was long there
Mhm.
until the same level is or the same level.
All right.
Let's go.
Man, just look at Spy what he did.
Let's go. Oh, this is good.
I'm in short.
You are in short. Nice. I'm about to get Spy, but I haven't got it yet.
Close to taking my partial. Battle the demons. Oof. That's what the boys were saying.
Yeah.
They are fully red.
Aye.
Like it. I added.
You added to the short?
Look at you!
Normal wussy stuff.
It's a not non-symmetric. It's asymmetric pattern there. It's making like a megaphone almost.
Mm-hmm.
So
Building my level, so let's see. My stop loss is really tight, so to break the level out. For sure we'll break it with a big push, if it does.
yeah, it's I'm patiently holding here. So, but I will be taking partial very soon. Like
I took a partial to the long.
nice. That's what Marie.
Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money.
All right, 182 for Nvidia is my target. Roughly 182, 182.50.
Go Spy, you can do it. Do like the 3 other times that you went there.
Look at you.
Okay, Spy, you can do it. Don't do like the other times. Pierce!
Yeah, I don't want to have like that type of fight because it's.
Hurry, you already have 20 hours. Let me eat. Let me have some.
Eat. love it. No, sorry, Zach. No food for you today.
So I put
Oh,
the
that's
partial right
funny.
there. So let's see.
Like that guy can be quick, eh?
Yeah.
On the replies.
Oh yeah.
I like it. Your guy is pretty quick there. What's your stochastic saying?
Say short. Let's see. Let's go. Ah! It's fighting a lot like the. Let's go. Absorption on the. There's a point of absorption there.
Mm-hmm.
Good for the short. We'll see.
Like really, that top has
Yeah, it's
been what?
holding good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about time you break it. Come on, let's go.
Zach, the level you say was very thin. Was at the top or at the bottom?
So the top.
At the top, okay.
And I'm heavy on that position, so let's go. If I move, it will move good.
Nice.
Not nice.
Be friendly with your partners, you know?
Eh?
Be friendly with your partners.
No, because he said he's heavy in that position. So if it moves against him, he's going to lose a lot. And you said nice, and I said no, that's not nice.
Oh no, because he's not risking more than 1 hour. Like he's half a tax fixed.
He's tight.
Yeah, he has a fixed risk.
Okay, let's
Oh,
go.
no.
Let's go.
For you to have an idea, that push will just get me in. Like I'm not in the trade yet for a spy.
You're gonna go short there.
It's higher. It's not there yet. It's far from there. Like have a couple more cents to go. But
But I think if it breaks that, it's gonna go higher. Come on.
At this time of the day to break that, it's 11 already. So, in my opinion, he didn't try it early enough.
Absorption again. Okay, it's pushing a bit.
Yeah.
How's your tape?
It's so
My-
annoying.
My tape for Nvidia is bearish right now. It has some upside possibility, but right now it's under control of the sellers.
Okay.
Let's go. Accelerating.
Buy the penny, unable to make a higher high that is buy right now. So let's.
That level is crazy, my guy. I would put my life on that level.
You see, man, you say that. I was just about to say to Marie, he's getting excited. He's gonna come with one of his, you know? You were like ramping it up, like little by little.
Yeah, it's like.
Yeah.
The balloon popped.
I would marry that level. Marry. Not marry, but marry.
Marry that love. Ay. Yeah, he's a little excited.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then he reversed and touched my stuff. That's,
That's
when I get excited, so what happens often.
Yeah. One day he's gonna be very good, and then you're gonna learn that the market is gonna price you for doing things you shouldn't be doing. And then, you know,
Oh, hey.
it's a bad habit building in there. But yeah.
Let's go through, Spy. Let's go. Let's go, Spy. Let's go.
But like, it has a heavy top right there right now. So like,
Wow, duh. That is so crazy. Okay, I'm going to pull Ella. Bro.
like at 689, like 88, 689 with 88 cents or 90 cents. Like, it's the heaviest execution of the day.
Really?
Oh yeah, yeah. Look at the red line here. You see
So
that
it's
red
not
line here?
689.90.
Yes, and it's a little bit behind. I can tell you right now precisely what it is. Just give me a second. It is actually the precise number is 689.83. 689.83 for a SPY.
That's the biggest, really.
That's the biggest size that we have. 689.83. I'm gonna drop off a line there. So basically, I'm gonna just make it another color. So so I'm gonna put a red line here. Make it red. So that's the top for the volume. Volume wise, that's the top. Until you break that line, we have nowhere to go. So toward the long, of course, like I'm saying here that I didn't even get my short. So
So I took one there. After
la,
that, so
la.
Good job.
Here we go. Money talk.
half 10 so I can afford to take more. Let's go. And then the nicest thing there is that the stochastic on all that move, it didn't move that much. So often what it means is like the previous move, when it got to VWAP, the stochastic was super low.
Okay.
And now it's at VWAP almost, and stochastic is still high, so it means it can drop way more.
Yeah, the cake is bigger toward the downside.
I took another there. That's the trade I should have done every time it touched that level.
Money talk.
And look at you. We took a.
No, that's him.
Ah.
Took another one.
Mhm.
Good job.
I have the order to take one. I canceled when I was canceling the line. I'm gonna put it back.
Let's go break VWAP.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
Here comes the money. Maybe in the next couple of days you're gonna have the chance to add to Aurora if you want to. Like
Mm-hmm.
For
yeah,
sure.
like, you can put they call it the stink bit, something like that. So it's like an order at a price that you think is too good to be filled up. But like
Five having
A little bit of
acceleration.
problem there.
Acceleration. Okay.
buy the VWAP.
Like it.
I wouldn't buy the VWAP. That's
No, we need a stronger.
we don't have pin setups there from yesterday, so it's like
I like it. Yeah, buddy.
that's my guy. Don't you want to partial again and then leave
Yeah,
the rest for whatever it
partial.
does?
Partial
The
at
non-partial
gaming.
guy is telling people to partial. Look
No,
at
it's
you!
different. It is different, you know.
It's
Yeah,
different.
like we are not doing the same thing here. So
My guy is selling shoes without having shoes.
yeah, right.
Crazy.
I think we're gonna have to put a count for the things that Saki's saying lately.
Oh!
Whenever he reached 10 that day, everybody shut up.
You know what you should do is, based on my PNL, you should mute me at one point. Like
Because
a
he's.
stop loss.
Ah,
It's
got
a stop
you.
loss for my my voice.
Aye.
Okay, like that guy. We're talking. Okay, what's your stochastic now?
It's still like what I see is like it can still go lower, but it's curling a bit. but it can uncurl fast. Like it can go both ways fast. So.
All right.
Footprint. There's no. Yeah, footprint is no.
No bueno.
Nothing saying anything. So.
Look, it's bouncing the VWAP right now, but in my chart,
Man, it's choppy as hell.
yeah, like in my chart, it has the moving average on top of the VWAP right now. Like,
Both.
of course, it have been
Me
like
too.
untangled like since 1 hour ago, probably maybe more. So either of us who is wrong, long or short, is gonna be interesting.
I think I'm gonna take everything there.
You are your own boss.
Or take one partial more. Okay.
That's sweet.
Sweet as a potato.
Potatoes are not sweet.
Yeah, sweet potatoes.
You
are
got
sweet.
so sweet.
Well, the sweet potato, yes, but he didn't say sweet potato. He said sweet as a potato.
Did you assume is gender?
All right, I'm sorry.
You need to stop. Noise, break the VWAP. I took one more partial there.
Ooh la la.
Good
I have
job.
half position.
Money talk.
Here comes the money.
I have half the position still.
Oh la la, my guy.
Okay, that level, man. I'm telling you, I'm keeping it
You're
on the
already
chart.
married to it, so
Yeah, I cannot do more, but
you cannot do more. You're married.
I'm gonna put on my chart. I'm gonna highlight it.
Nice. But you think it's gonna be interacting multiple times per day? Because I think we're gonna go away from there enough. That
Yeah, but for sure that level, if it come back like in a month,
yeah.
for sure it's gonna be good too.
Oh yeah, for sure. But like the problem is that when we come back, like let's say if we move away from it and we come back to it, we came with different strength. So the evaluation that we're doing there is gonna be more toward the
But-
bullish than toward the bearish.
I think
We're thinking much
whatever
ahead for sure.
whatever the strength is gonna react some way.
Okay. Okay.
I think.
So Marie, the spike broke the trend now. No, it's still like SPY is making that weird thing that like
Yeah.
I can illustrate it here probably. Let's see.
You
What
think
chart
so?
is that? That's the yeah, like for sure. If I have like Marie's line here, so basically, like, and I'm gonna say how I perceive that, but like it doesn't mean it's that. Like it's the way I read the tape and things like that. So basically, you had it from the first or the second? Yeah, she had it from the second. Okay, so she had like the line on Marie's chart is like this, and then the point of control was here. So that's what she had previously, and then she had another from here to here. So what we can see here is that some participation step out of the game here, like it was trending up, but with that flat top on the head. And they step out and it's still trending in a very similar angle here. Like if you see, it's slightly lower because I just put it, but the way
Yeah.
she had it is like a narrowing. So somebody step out. So the trend is still toward the upside, but is lower. So
Having trouble there on the EMAs. Like it's on the future EMA that it's holding right now. 200 EMA.
will be very cool if we can average in all of them the way we want it. But
Oh, wouldn't that be?
like I did a very nice chart, something crazy. I actually save it for whenever in the futures, like in the future. But like I have a chart that has a like I think it's 7 moving average or 9. I don't remember. But man, like when I put that chart in DAS, like my computer just crashed pretty much.
Really?
It's yeah, because it was taking like a lot of data from different multiple time frames. So, but they were reliable for sure.
Okay, so it would have to be right there.
My stop loss lower.
And
Still catch
this.
a profit. Every time I do that, I regret it. So, you know.
But if you have decent profit, the move there will be
Yeah.
breaking even.
The day is done.
You what?
Like, even if it touch that, I have like crazy good profit. So.
Nice.
If it gets like, if it breaks definitely the VWAP, I think it's gonna go to 688.22.
Okay, okay.
688.
22.
La 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 la.
690. If it breaks the view up, it's going to your level.
So I'm
Yeah.
gonna take a quick look back at Tesla as a gauge of because out of the one I know Tesla, we are not looking at it and it's not that strong like from the PCL. But I'm gonna take Tesla as my point of reference when things are gonna be tanking. Because right now you see Tesla holding good. Like once Tesla break the 432.34, then I can consider like okay, now my Nvidia is supposed to be moving too. Because like the buying power that is being used there is definitely holding good for Tesla and for other things. We have the nice wedge pattern here, so just like that.
I'm out of my position there.
Nice.
Pretty good trade. Alright. It's my record profit for this account.
Good job!
Look at you. We need to keep having those conversations at night, you know? The one that we had the other day.
Okay, that's too personal.
No, it's not.
Like really, like
We were talking about
you
trading.
need to go on this site to start talking about your. No,
Marie's feeling jealous.
I'm allowed to be funny too.
Of course, all of us are allowed to be funny.
So today, 100% win rate on 12 trades.
Holy crap.
Go, Zach, go.
But keep in mind the partial count as those.
Yes, yes, yes. But still, like, it's a good number.
Could have been a crazy day if I held my position on the top again.
Same here.
I had a trappy question for you. Do you have an order at the level again?
Should I?
That was cute. Hey, hey, that was Latin completely. Latino.
Should I have an order then?
If you are able to do it without messing up your day, I think the answer to that is a yes.
But I think if it tests a lot, once it'll break it for good.
Yeah, for sure.
Like Marie was saying on the last attempt, like already tested 3 times. Like now it's time to break it. So.
It will depend on the longevity of the price action. Which in Tesla right now is suggesting is a long. So
Let's go. Let's go to the PCL. Let's go. Cross the
You're still long,
PCL. Eh?
You're long?
Oh yeah. The plantain didn't leave.
I don't see it as a plantain. Like it's more like that's the type of belief that we have to keep. Like And I don't know if you went flippy, which I think you didn't. You just flipped once.
Yeah, at least I didn't usually sometimes I'm like a pancake. What is that?
Oh my god, I want to put an order.
to.
The volume is really low. It's going up and the volume is going down.
Yeah, like if when that happened, it could be a test. Market maker test. So what you're gonna see is that it will print a high price, like or a high price, like at the top of the range. And if the test is successful, it will be lower volume or low volume still when you print the high. And if you print a higher volume at the high, it means that there is too much sellers yet. So you are looking for a test of the hopper band with low volume.
Hold on. Oh my god. Hold on. Hold on.
Baby, come
Hold
back.
on.
Come back. Come back.
Oy. Something freaky is happening.
So I can see here people are trading Apple, Nvidia, SPY actually too. So the only one that people are not trading today is Tesla. So I asked in the chat there what are you trading? And,
Nvidia and Apple?
Nvidia, Apple, and Tesla, all of them 33% right now. So,
Oh, and SPY.
SPY, yeah. Tesla is the one that is 0.
The Fed 1 year expectation is higher than expected. It was at 11.
Expectation for inflation?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's at 3.42. The previous was 3.2.
Okay.
That is gonna break you up.
You think so? Look at this.
Stochastic.
He faked the hop and then it's going down. So now Tesla is going down as well. Not with a lot of momentum, that's a for sure. But we're gonna see where, like, if it really pick up some speed. Right now, Nvidia have a 1,000 lot at 184.80. So 184.80 with a 1,000 lot, that's pretty good. Pretty good size. Though I wouldn't be expecting that to hold because it didn't hold the 186. So that's roughly $1.20 below the actual level. The most relevant level for my NVDA is 186. And we are definitely not attempting to get there. So we're gonna break the bottom probably very soon. So let's see. Very long queues or what?
Long on the queues.
Baby, come back, come back, come back.
You can blame it all on me.
Or like that song that say, don't you want me? I know I can't believe it. It's a pretty old song actually, like that.
That's very old. I was in the clubs.
You can find me in the club by the foot of the
Man, I'm impressed for how SPY is holding the trend. Like, I'm talking about the same Marie trend here, like no Marie trades, like no Marie trade, but like I said, the trend is just like
Hola.
why? Dumbo is
Like-
back.
Dumbo's back in town.
Yeah, Zach, what are you saying? Sorry, I interrupt you.
Like imagine shorting my level and taking it at VWAP. How much we could have done today. I could have done.
Yeah, but like again, I think that's one of the things you're working on, my guy.
Mhm.
That like, but yeah, like, yeah, I don't want to be too opinionated, but because you're doing very good, but
Well,
the longevity of the move, like, if you believe it's a short, it's a short, like, and then like, until you have very solid reason to flip it,
yeah,
don't flip it because most of the day,
you're so right. Because when you start flipping in the middle of it,
yeah,
you get smoked.
Yeah, it happens sometimes to me. I already talked about it to you.
yeah.
But I go short, I took partial too soon, I exit too soon, then I flip, then I get smoked.
Don't you want me, baby? That's a earworm again. That's one of them.
Don't you?
Like, for example, right now, like what I'm looking at that is making a lot of sense to me. Like a SPY, this is a 1 minute chart. Let's say on the 1 minute chart we are looking so choppy. Like, I mean, look how many times we went up. Like, this is almost barcoding for a ETF that has like
Mhm.
the biggest amount of company there. Like, I know the Russell have 2,000, but yeah, like the biggest company are like biggest and most relevant company are on the SPY. But what I'm saying here is like, look at the 5 minute. Look the wicks that those candles have toward the top. Look at those wicks right here.
The 5 minute is crazy.
Those wicks right here. Yes, you have some crazy wicks toward the downside too. But yeah, like the fight that is going on between those two levels here is such a big fight that we have to kind of think twice whatever we want to do.
Like, can you do a square on your thing?
Yes, for sure. A square from where to where? Do you want
Do
me
a
to
range.
erase my line or?
Yeah, rectangular range like you used
Yeah.
to do.
Do a range from 690.03
Yeah.
to 89.93.
What was the second one?
689.93. So 90.03 and 89.93.
Yeah, about there. Yeah, there is no candle dying above that pretty much. 690.03 and 689.83.
93.
93, okay.
You see that? Like, that was my level.
There are only wicks on top of that. Wicks.
Imagine the risk to reward on that thing. If you put your stop loss above,
That's what you're talking about. Just wicks and wicks and wicks.
that's crazy, man. Never seen a level holding that good. And like, never seen a small level holding that good.
How-
What's that level?
The level that Divi has.
The one you married to?
Yeah, that's the one I'm
Okay.
there. Meet my fiance.
Meet my fiance, Mrs. 689.93.
So imagine putting your stop loss just above and taking the short. How the risk to reward is crazy good.
Don't you want me, baby?
I'll send a picture to the guy. They saw the day.
Yeah, you're gonna break their heads today, but did you see Angel Luis PNL yesterday? That was pretty good. Nice.
That was really good.
Yeah.
When?
Yesterday was or before yesterday?
Yeah, the 1000 something.
Yeah, yeah.
I have to participate a bit in that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, to share information?
I made 415.
Today?
No, the other yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
You see 1500 because it says.
Oh, it's the combine.
Right.
Okay, it's the total.
Mm.
But I think he's past the combine.
Like he's yeah, that's real money. Whatever he's making is real money. But
But the 1500 is the. If he gets to that, he can scale up.
okay. Yeah, like
It's a scale up profit target.
oh, I see. Yeah, I see. Yeah.
But he still made 450. Yeah, my best day was 400. Was last Friday when Marie went there.
Mm-hmm.
It was 415,
415. Nice.
and now it's almost 550. 530. I'm almost at 1/3 of the combine. Good.
At some point, we're gonna have to include Marie in the group because she's gonna be trading that too.
Yeah, that would be fun.
I like that because it's like it's very cool. Like any questions you have, like those guys, like I know that.
Yeah, well, they've been trading it for a while, right?
Yeah, exactly. So they know anything
they'll be
about.
a resource
Mhm.
for sure.
And they will see Marie having big cojones. It's like, oof. I know. I'm sorry. I don't know if that's wrong.
But like the only thing with dubstep
No.
that is
No, it's not.
the only thing with dubstep that is hard
Mm-hmm.
to pass the combine is the trailing of the profit.
But after you pass the combine, it's no trail out the same way, right?
Yeah, I trail the same way, but until 0, until 50k.
Until 50k. Okay.
So if you get, let's say 2000,
Mm-hmm.
so as soon as you get 2000 and higher, you're good. But when you get to 2000, the stop loss is now at the stop loss of the account is now at break even, so 50.
Okay.
But above, it doesn't follow you. So
No, it's that.
it's the $2,000 profit that is the hardest.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
let's say the other day I was 500 up.
Yeah, that
Then,
was add to your.
In the beginning of the week, I lost almost that 500. So I was flat on the account, but the stop loss of the account was 500 higher.
Okay.
So I had only 1,500 to lose now. So,
That makes
Yeah.
sense. It's like
Oh, can we wrap it up?
yeah. Let's wrap it up. I'm gonna be
Hey.
there right now. Just let me
If
take a
we're
look
able to.
at Tesla.
it's gonna go lower.
Man, Tesla is holding above the trend and it's holding the actual upper trend, but like it's just yeah. Well, let's see what it wants to do at the end, but like yeah. So pretty solid day here too. We only trade Nvidia here. I held a little trade overnight. When we came into the market open, I took some partial. So basically, I was trading Nvidia short because I see a possible pullback in the overall market.
Okay.
So I am favoring more the shorts than the long for those couple days. So today, after the market close, I'm gonna be trying to put the turning point, like to know where we are at, if we want to start favoring long, from which point. So basically, yeah, I just want to like not go against the overall market, but like right now, yeah, there definitely could be a decent pullback. So right now, printing pretty good on Nvidia. So I took a partial here. This partial here was a bunch of hours. So then I add by like a little bit too early. Then when it came and test my level, that was the 186. I add a little bit more here. And all that time during my ads, I was breaking even because my average prices was quite high. So like it was still like, very good. So then it tested the VWAP twice, but it didn't hold. So I stayed just put to that, like practicing my patience. So and yeah, that went well. But right now I don't have much more trades. I would like to look for a long at some point, but I don't know in which one. Like probably INTC was one of those that looks very interesting to me. But INTC is pulling back quite heavy too. So Tesla going with that sideways move. Probably once after Tesla break that 433, 432, we can count a little bit better on the long. But we're gonna have to wait definitely. So yeah, that's it for me. Green here, like a good trading day. Well, for sure I should be, and I will be partially more and more. And yeah. What about you, Marie? I think you only trade Qs today?
Only Qs again. So, I'm just going to...
This is the Qs, okay. Yeah.
Okay, so
Are you getting to trading like me, like only ETF?
Yeah,
practicing.
practicing, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I need to
She's-
practice if I'm going to be going. I never trade those, right?
Yeah, like-
you know that.
Well, before you, I think
Wow,
you,
very
long ago,
rarely. Very, very rarely.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now, TQQ. So the short was fantastic. So I got out of the short this morning. Oh, this is going to be good. So I got out of the short
Like
this
he's
morning
short,
at 54.95, but went back into the short when the market opened at 55.65.
that was a pre-market trade, so she
Yes.
took out like 20 hours, did you say?
No, that was
14.
Yeah, 14 hours.
So
It was close to 14
right
hours.
here, and then she shorted again right here.
Wait, 10. 10. Yeah, 14 hours. It was 14 hours. You're correct. So then I went back into the short, and that was sweet. So I took the short at 54.65.
Shorted here, start partialing right here.
Yeah, my first partial,
One here,
54.20. Then triple partial at the bottom at 53.75, 53.80.
Yeah.
I added to the pop at 54.16.
Yeah, she had here.
Partial again at the bottom at 53.85. And, ooh, yeah. So there I double added at the 54.16 and got out at the trade at 53.88.
Right here.
And then I went long.
In that one, you went completely out of your short.
Correct.
So just if you allow me a break here, just for me to
No,
clarify.
I went completely out of my short, if I'm not
Can you
mistaken.
point with your things, like for me to be able to see?
Right there. I came completely out of my short there.
Okay. So she came
So
out.
TQQ went way lower than SPY on the short at first.
Yeah,
Crazy.
agreed.
Because I was short too, and it wasn't like that the move.
Okay.
So now I'm long on TQQ.
She got
So
the-
I went long again. The long for me, my first long was at at 54, which wasn't a great price. So my long 54.20 and got me out at 53.86. What did it do after?
Yeah, I bounced.
Boom, went up. So
Then you
then
went
I
down
waited again and went long. I went long again at 54.20. Got me out
Yeah,
again.
we're getting the bad price on that one.
Absolutely. So then I got the good price. I went long at 53.90.
Yeah, right here.
and I took a partial
that.
at 54.16.
Oh, you went before. She went right here, and she took partial here.
So now I took a partial there, had completely held it. Guess where I got off? 53.82. What did it do right after?
Yeah, she came out here, and then you move again.
It moved again, so then I went long again at 53.90 and added. I still have that one there. So my price is 53.92. And then we'll see what's going to happen there. So definitely a green day. I played around with those short, or like Zach was saying earlier, and I resonate with that, where you hesitate too long to go in, so then you're taking your price around the VWAP, which we know is super heated. So you end up going, am I in, am I out, am I in, am I out? Yeah, that was just a little bit too crazy. But now I am in with a good price, like I said, and then we'll see. I am going to SPY now interacting with the PCL. We've got a very strong RSI. We've got a strong as well. We've got good volume to the uptick, so we'll see where that's going to go. But I think after being burnt a few times, I might just be breaking even on this one.
Okay,
But a green day.
nice.
So we've got 11-hour day for sure. 12-hour day. So I want to have a better than that, but it's still good.
Nice.
I think now the long might be tape is definitely strong, so let's see what's going to happen. So what's good about it is SPY is well above the VWAP and now interacting with the PCL. Mine though, my TQQ is not. So my TQQ is still under the VWAP, so I need to really look at that closely and see what's going to happen. And what about you, Davey?
I
Oh, yeah,
mine
you
was
did
stuck, yeah.
But right now you still have one, right?
Yeah, I
You
still have my,
Nvidia
yeah, I still
short.
have Nvidia short.
Good job. So good trading day. We'll see how I'm going to do with that. I find a little plantain there to say, hey, the market's going to reverse. And
Nice.
but right now the RSI is quite nice. I am going to ask one last two. What's your stochastic looking like, Zach?
It's high and it's curling gradually down.
Okay.
Okay.
And stochastic today was pretty accurate. When it's choppy like that, every bottom is every bottom of the market. So.
Nice.
I like it.
So,
Oh God.
what about you, Zach? Would you like to
Finally.
share?
Yeah, for me, pretty good day. Like I didn't make 12 hours, but we're trading different. So
Yeah, it's different for sure.
I went short at 9:33. The move on SPY was way less than the move on TQQ. I didn't know that. Like I didn't know it was that much. So it went down. Okay. So it went down. I took a partial at the bottom.
Okay.
I took a partial when they at around 640. Then two at the bottom. Then I got I put my stop loss above VWAP.
So you partial here, like 688.40 and 687.50,
Woo!
something like
Sorry.
By breaking my level.
Woo!
that. Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
Take a deep breath.
okay.
So and I put my stop loss above VWAP
Okay.
and it broke. So I got a little bit of profit there. After that, at 10:18, I went short on my level, and it was acting weird, so I got out.
Okay.
But I should have kept it because it would have been a good trade. Then it touched again my level. I didn't do anything. I was hesitating.
Mhm.
It went good, down good. And then at 11, I went short, and I had it right away when I saw that it was holding good.
Mhm.
Then I took partial at VWAP and under VWAP.
So you took partial here and here. Like yeah, at around 11, right before 11.
No. That was I enter at 11.
You enter at 11. Okay, okay. It's step.
It was a move after.
You took it here and you partial here.
I took at 11.8 and I took it at 11.15.
Okay.
So pretty good trade. I could have held it and going lower, but it's okay.
Nice.
And now it went up, so
Yeah, like
it's still holding my level, I guess. The wick went above, but
yeah, it is holding your level yet. So, but I will see if you get me or not.
what's your price?
Like I have this the actual future, so my price, my order, I can tell you right now what it is. I have an order to go short in the futures for a SPY, so at 6,968.25. So I couldn't get the level precisely because
It won't get you in on that, but
okay,
what do you see in there? 25.
like let me see. Yeah, like I'm just shorting the 200 moving average that is right on top of the level. So like you see your level here, like this is your level around there. So
Mhm.
the little green line here is just the 200 moving average. That's what I'm trying to short.
Okay.
So it's just like basically the second station of the strongest participation. So you remember that we were saying like sometimes where you have the big level, it doesn't smash it completely. It's the one right after. So of course I could be shorting it right there and still making it work. But I'm trying to just get the good price. Like I'm trying to be picky with the price on those ones.
I think for real, the good price is there at the level, no? Because if it breaks my level, it's gonna go berserk up.
Yeah, you might be
So it
right.
might fill you in and just let you out.
Yes, but
That's
I
fine.
already took a loss on that one, so I think you're right. But because I already took a loss in the future, I will keep it like that.
I love that level, my guy. I'm gonna put it in
Yeah, in your desk.
red. Here, put it in red.
Nice.
Still holding.
Right. So anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay. So that's everything for today. We trade here basically from 9 a.m. to 11:30. So thank you everybody for being there. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for looking at the streaming. And yeah, you feel free to drop in the chat whenever you have a question, like why are you guys short? Why are you guys long? Like we are
Absolutely.
totally transparent
Or
here. So,
it could be that they would like us to look at something, right?
yeah, or if you would like us to look
Look
at
at
any
a ticker.
ticket, we will be happy to do that.
Mm,
Knowing that the only thing we can give you is our opinion on that. So, but yeah,
Correct.
for sure.
not financial advice.
No financial advice, but yeah. So I hope you have a good day. I hope everybody have a good day. We're gonna be back tomorrow.